Hi everyone, are you a NSFAS student and you want to activate your NSFAS wallet? I'm Shakeerah and you should definitely keep watching to find out how to activate your NSFAS account. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. NSFAS is a government bursary that provides financial support to disadvantaged students who wish to further their studies at public universities or TVET colleges. NSFAS funding covers not only your tuition fees, but also registration along with NSFAS allowances for accommodation, meals, books, learning devices, and other student needs. If you are a TVET college student, you'll use your NSFAS wallet for your NSFAS allowances. You will first need to activate it before you can use it. Here's how. First, you'll have to dial *120*176# and reply with your ID number. After this, you should follow the prompts. You will then have to set up your password for your NSFAS wallet. Treat this password like you would your bank password. Once you've done this, your NSFAS account is activated. To access your account, you can dial *120*176#. To spend your NSFAS allowances, you will need to create a cash voucher through your NSFAS wallet, and you can then withdraw cash using the voucher at any of the participating merchants. These stores do however have a daily cash withdrawal limit of 1,000 Rand per day. To find out more about your NSFAS wallet and how to use it, head to our website. We also have a video on Sellbox and your NSFAS wallet, which we recommend you watch. Let us know in the comments below any NSFAS questions you might have, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.